What this means is the subconscious mind that is creating your self-concept and totally controlling your life may not be programmed the way that you think it is or the way that you want it to be. You may want to be proud, to be a confident, positive, powerful, happy person. And your subconscious mind has been programmed for you to be ashamed, afraid, negative, and an unhappy person. You may want to be rich, but your subconscious mind has been programmed for you to be poor. You may want to be smart, but your subconscious mind has been programmed for you to feel less intelligent than other man-made races of people. You may want to be lean, fit, and healthy, but your subconscious mind has been programmed for you to be overweight, obese, and unhealthy. You may want to feel that you are not inferior to any other man-made race on earth, but your subconscious mind has been programmed for you to feel inferior to white people and or other man-made races of people. You see how this works? The wrong kind of programming in a person's subconscious mind is why so many people struggle in life. No one on earth can outperform the belief files that exist in their subconscious mind cloud. If your subconscious mind files are not in alignment with the person you want to be in your conscious mind and in your imagination, you will have tremendous difficulty becoming that person and achieving the goals and maintaining real happiness in your life that you want. The good news is you can go into the subconscious mind and update and delete your belief files and upload new empowering files. You can make your subconscious mind help you instead of harm you. You can reprogram it with new belief files, and by doing so, become whatever kind of person you want to become and achieve whatever goal you may have. To reprogram the subconscious mind takes time and effort, but it is well worth it. It is so worth it. And it probably won't take as much time and effort as you think. Everything you have been doing in this course is a part of that process of creating new belief files. It is repetition and working smarter on the inside instead of working harder on the outside. The subconscious mind is one of the reasons we human beings, you, me, we, all human beings are so amazing. And we really should get to know it and take better care of it. The takeaways from today's Unbreakable journey are: the brain is not the mind. The brain is an organ that gives us access to the mind and gives us control over our body and focus. The mind and brain work together much like an information cloud does with your computer. The brain pulls information from the mind and puts information into the mind. The mind is also connected to powerful universal laws and principles. Think of the brain as an operational center software used to command our body, our emotions, behaviors, and our focus. Think of the human mind as being outside of the body, with access to all of the knowledge and wisdom of the universe. Most psychologists and neuroscientists believe there are 3 levels of the human mind: the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, and the unconscious mind. These levels of our mind work together in unison or are fragmented and are working against each other. The subconscious mind and the unconscious mind are the same. The unconscious mind is a deeper level of the subconscious mind. The conscious mind and subconscious mind are completely different from one another. Neurological scientists believe that our conscious mind represents from 5 to 10% of our mind's capabilities and functions. And the subconscious mind represents between 90 to 95% of our mind's functions and capabilities. The two most powerful functions of our conscious mind are the ability to direct our focus and choose our thoughts and use our imagination. The subconscious mind stores all of your most profound memories and life experiences. The subconscious mind will stay the same forever if you don't update it or reprogram it. The belief about your assigned man-made race was stored in your subconscious mind at a very young age. Some of the beliefs about your man-made race were stored into your subconscious mind before you were born. Because of this, even if you were born into a perfect world that was free from any of the 4 toxins, there could still be some disempowering beliefs in your subconscious mind causing damage to your self-concept. You can change, reprogram, and realign your subconscious mind with your genetic structure, and by doing so, it will give you the power to create the life you desire and give you an edge in life. Remember the unbreakable anthem. We are genetically designed to be powerful, happy creators. So we must use our power and never view ourselves as a victim to anyone or anything. With a plan and consistent action, everything we want to be, do, and have is possible. If we are sad, we need a happiness plan. If we are unfocused, we need a focus plan. If we are overweight, we need a fitness plan. If we are uneducated, we need an educated plan. If we are broke, we need a money plan. If we are afraid, we need a courage plan. If we are sick, we need a wellness plan. If we are lonely, we need a relationship plan. Everything good in life starts by taking steps in the right direction. So take action and do the 3 steps for today's session. Until next time, stay conscious. Don't get lost in the illusion of race. You are the highest creation on earth. What one human being can do, all human beings can do. You are second to none. So keep the power and stillness in your mind and the love and happiness in your heart. Life is a balance between individualism and collectivism. So be kind to each other and help one another. Now use your power and get out there and learn and do whatever you need to create the life and happiness you desire and deserve. I'm out.